Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Bumble account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to simply open your Bumble application. Once you have done that, tap on the profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on settings icon. Now scroll down your screen, tap on delete account. Here you need to select a reason for deleting your account. If you are sure of deleting your account, tap on deleting account. Type delete to confirm. Tap on confirm. So that is how you can easily delete your Bumble account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.